Dear students, I have already completed first term syllabus in geography and economics. In geography, two chapters, chapter 1 and chapter 4. Resources and development, chapter 1 and chapter 4, agriculture is your syllabus. Chapter 3, water resources. From this chapter, only map questions will be asked. In economics, two chapters. In first term, development and sectors of the economy. I want to tell you that in the forthcoming PT examinations, only first chapter from geography, that is development, and first chapter of economics, that is development. Only from these two chapters, one chapter in geography and one chapter in economics, MCQ questions will be asked. Now I am revising economics chapter 1, development. Development is a process of change in the economic life of people as producers and consumers. Man has always been filled with the ideas of progress. All of us have aspirations or desire for development, but the perspective of development varies from person to person, region to region, state to state, and country to country. There are two important features of development. First is different peoples have different developmental goals, and second is what may be development for one may not be development for another. It may even be destructive for the other. People aspire for not only more income but also seek equal status, equal treatment, equal opportunities in life, freedom and respect of others. So man does not live by bread alone. World Bank believes that higher the per capita income of a country, higher is the level of development. On the other hand, UNDP compares development of countries on the basis of educational levels of the people, their health and per capita income. Economic development is simply an increase in economic welfare of the people. Economic development implies not only more output but also institutional and technical changes which help in raising the output. So there are different measures of economic development: national income, per capita, real income, economic welfare and social indicators. Economic development is a quantitative aspect of development. That is why it cannot be accurately measured. On the other hand, the concept of human development focuses on the ends. It is the end of the development rather than the means of development and progress. The Human Development Index is a composite index of the three social indicators: life expectancy index, educational attainment index, and standard of living index. Per capita real national income can be taken as the indicator of economic welfare or well-being of the people. The HDI is a more adequate indicator of welfare than national income because HDI takes into account longevity and educational attainment in addition to per capita income or high standard of living. Education has great significance in the matter of development of human resources. Challenges for human development are health, education, and gender equity. Sustainable development was defined by the 1987 Brundtland Commission as the meeting of the needs of the present generation without compromising the needs of the future generation to meet their own needs and to save environment from further degradation. It is also about future, learning the next generation a similar, a better legacy of resources than that which was inherited by us. Thank you.